guys, so if you guys have not seen the video before this, it's part 1 and it's just of me and I'm talking about periods and birth control and stuff like that and confidence and insecurities and all of that. So if you want to see stuff about that, definitely go watch that one first. I'll have it linked in the description and obviously it's just right before this video. So yeah, now this is with my mom. Enjoy it, it's going to be really awesome. Next. Good age to lose your V card. I think I feel like there's no good age. Yeah. Actually, I'm not like super good at answering this question in explaining it, so I'm gonna bring my mom in to answer this because she's gonna know better than me. Okay, yeah, here's my mom. She's gonna answer the question about what age is a good age to lose your V card.
Well, there's no good age. Oh, no, look. It's not a good age when you lose it. It's more like, if you can take the consequences that come with it.
You can take it.
That's right, if you can take it. And I don't mean, like, getting pregnant and all that other stuff. I mean, you know, y'all girls are emotional. Y'all just get so upset if things don't go your way.
Yeah, like if he like, and then
he's out. Believe me, I've went through this. Not with me personally. Well, maybe back in the day.
Not with me either.
No, not with this one. But maybe I do have a son. Sorry.
And then also just don't do it if you're like 12.
Oh God, don't do it if you're 12.
Or
13,
13,
14, 15.
Tell your period story you told me earlier about in school.
Okay. I was probably like in the 9th grade, back in the 80s. And this one girl that was a real popular cheerleader in school, and we used to have the classes where you're all together in the classroom, and I seen where people were passing notes, and it was one note and it was going back and it would go up the next aisle and come up the next one, and everyone was looking at me giggling. I'm like, I don't know what's going on. Well, finally there was a girl that was not a mean girl, and she passed the note to me, and it's where the mean girl had wrote, I'm on my period, can you see my pad? And then signed up my name. Okay, back in the day, you know, having your period was like so taboo. You hid it from everybody. You hid it from boys, mom, everyone. You know what I'm saying? But these days, we just talk about periods. We're very open about it. I see her to this day, and I'm like 50 years old. I'm gonna whip her ass. I'm not kidding. That's how, I mean, to this day, I mean,
girls
like
are so mean.
Girls are mean.
How to get over first heartbreak.
God.
Heartbreak is so sad.
I have to rub her back every time she breaks up, and I have to lay her in my lap and rub her back.
This is so true. Every time.
I tell her that I love her. How you get over it?
How to get over it?
Well, you know, but it wasn't really heartbreak. That was the thing. You've only really been heartbroken maybe
4 times.
Well, I mean, yeah, she's cried on me multiple times, but I mean, like,
heartbroken 4 times.
Does it really?
Get over it. Find a rebound.
Yeah, just rebound's good. No, yeah.
Distractions.
Distractions.
Boys. How to have a great relationship with your guy best friend?
Oh, there's no such thing as guy best friends. Do not even get me started on this, and I know it might get some flack, but there's no such thing as a girl and a guy being a best friend. Why?
I believe it too.
Because one of them wants to hump the other one, and I don't care. Do not care. You can put it in the comments. I do not care, because I am right, because I am old and I've been around.
I believe it too. I've never ever had a guy friend. I can have guy friends. Guys can't have girlfriends.
That's right. Or
like,
it's always going to be one or the other.
Like, I've had so many guy friends that like me or whatever, and I'm just like, ew.
Does not exist, so go ahead. You tear me up in the comments. I don't care.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Oh, I don't know. You're...
That's along with the other one, if you haven't had a first kiss. If you're 17 and a virgin, is that a bad thing?
No, it's not a bad thing. Hold out if you can hold out.
Yeah, it's a prized position. Especially,
it's a prized possession.
All the guys will want to be with you. Opinion on friends with benefits.
Oh, okay. That goes back to the guys and girls can't be best friends type thing. There's really no such thing as a friends with benefits. you know, hitting it and quitting it. Is that what they call it? Whatever.
It's not that. No, that's
No, I know what it means.
Yeah, like your friends and you do stuff.
I would never done it like that back in the day.
When to stop liking someone?
Well, you just don't, you know, if it ain't there no more, it just kind of goes away. I don't know.
I don't know.
Unless they're jerks. You had that one boyfriend. He wasn't very nice.
Which one?
I ain't gonna say his name.
They were like never nice. Question earlier, I don't see it right now, but the one that's like, how do you turn on a dude? Shouldn't take a lot.
No, it doesn't take a lot to turn on a dude.
All guys are like constant.
If they're into you, they're look at every, what is it? What is the statistics? They think about sex like every 30 seconds or every 30, yeah, some stupid shit.
Yeah.
Like that, but.
If he likes you or if he's like attracted to you, you could like be like, and they'd be like.
Who's your celebrity crush?
My celebrity crush?
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, who's yours?
Okay, because I'm old. But Justin Timberlake, okay?
I knew you were gonna say that! I knew it! I keep clicking this stuff.
Did you talk about toxic girlfriends? That was one
Oh
of the
my
questions.
gosh, no, toxic relationships in general. Boys, girls, all of them.
All of them. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
I'll tell stories. No, girl, I want, like, we were like friends in 8th grade, and we were like good friends.
Did she
sort
like
of.
this girl?
I wanted to be friends
She
with
wanted
this
to be
girl
friends with this
so
girl.
bad. And go do stuff together.
She was a nice girl.
And
She was
we-
always nice around me,
Yeah,
too.
she
So
was-
what do I
she
know?
was, like, whatever. But then she would like also have this other girl that was like really mean to me. That was also her like best friend. And then she would like pick between us. Like she couldn't have more than one friend. So then she would be mean to me and like friends with her, but then mean to her and then friends with me. And
Yeah,
that went on literally until like last year, 11th grade.
Oh, yeah, I had to put a stop to that bullshit right there.
So that went on for 8, 9,
Because that girl just...
like 3-4 years it went on basically because I wanted to be friends with her and I kept giving her these chances when she would literally turn around and not be my friend one day. Like she is like, has to be like, I don't know.
And you know, look, you don't come home crying. That's not cool. Why do girls gotta be mean?
Yeah.
Y'all can have more than one friend. It's not a
It like
big
was
deal.
weird. Like she did
It
it
was
up
weird.
until like
She was a
11th grade.
strange- she's a
Like
strange one.
we would be like besties one day in school talking, literally talking about
And then
everything.
she wouldn't talk to her, like,
and then
not
the
even
next
look at
day
you.
would not talk to me. I'd literally be like, hey, and she'd be like, and I'd be like,
I think Yeah, he was psycho.
his issue was that he was
behind
never
doors.
told no growing
Yeah,
up.
he was never told
Growing
no.
up, and I told him no, and it
Yeah.
just
true.
like he was extremely controlling. He wouldn't let me like wear what I want, like leggings. No.
Now, I didn't know about that, but I realized, I'm like, wait a minute, she ain't wearing leggings. It's like for 6 months she didn't wear leggings, and I couldn't figure out why, and then
No
she told me this
leggings.
BS, and I'm like, what?
He was like mean, like
She's
would fight with
thin,
me.
she can wear leggings, you know.
Yeah, he would be
Some people
like-
should be wearing
He'd
leggings,
be
she
like,
can wear leggings.
oh no, because all the guys like girls
yeah.
walk by in leggings, they like look at your butt and like rate it, and I'm like, ugh. And, like would yell at me and call me names and like go crazy if he wasn't like. This is when I like broke up with him.
Yeah.
I was shopping with my mom.
Oh, he was being pretty
and
psycho.
he was like, I was supposed to go with you, like I can't blah blah blah, and I just turned my phone off and gave it to her because I was like,
Oh, yeah.
and then like a
give me that
day
damn
later
phone.
I was like
Done.
breaking up, and he was like,
Well, you better end it better than that.
what?
You gotta end it nice.
What do you
I
mean?
don't know how.
I'm gonna.
Okay.
That was all of the questions I'm gonna answer. If you have more questions you want to know about, I could do another one of these videos in the future.
She good.
But that's what I got for today. I kind of answered the topics. Kind of answered the like staple topics of girl talk. So yeah.
Yeah, you did good.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. And my mom.
Sorry.
Yeah. That's all for today. Bye.